Welcome to Crypto Traders on YouTube. I'm Kurt, co-founder, Crypto Savage since 2013, and full-time fundamental analyst.
My name is Matthew, co-founder of Crypto Traders and Crypto Traders Pro trading community. I'm a former professional trader since 2012. I left that life in 2016 to go full force into the cryptocurrency markets once I realized the amount of potential that was there.
Subscribe to our channel for cryptocurrency trading tutorials, technical analysis, in-depth project breakdowns, cryptocurrency developer interviews, live webinars, and you can follow us around the world as we live the crypto trader lifestyle and push for cryptocurrency mass adoption. Enjoy.
Our gaze is shifted upwards to the sky.